How to get 1099 unemployment. First, you have to go to this website called Jobs4TN. Then you can see this page. Scroll down a little bit and click on Sign In. Now you have to enter your username and password. Check the box in I am not a robot section. Then click on Sign In. After that, you will redirect to this page. Then scroll down. Then find the unemployment service option. Here are 4 options, but you have to click on More Unemployment Services. Then you will be on this page. Now scroll down. Then click on Form 1099 information. In this page, you will see this option. Click on View. That's it. Thanks for watching.